To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Umindri bakmi yakatna taxation hagajala. James P.K. Sangma Raitu ba hadu nyopau point rup san klur kakajna bakatnat kampat chimlayo naki petrol pump nadu usnem arajar khatnyo hadu kusnem arajar arhuwei. Yakani Umintri Lapentip haba jubab yak jingkali ke bala wanra Wembley ke Kongres na Umroy uba George B. Lingdo haka yeng dorbar menta kesngi haka ba ulaya thuru ba haka snem arajar khatnyo khatpra katnar kadang hab bakanyo sa arkundai point arpsau klur arajar khatpra kakandai pra point sab kundai klur arajar kakandai arpau khat ar point nyupai klur but house nem arajar arpau arpwe de banyo sa arpau point arpwe klur tingka.
Sir, 2017 and 18, 29.24 crores. 2018 and 19, rupees 8.49 crores. 2019 to 20, rupees 12.71 crores. And in 2020 to 21, rupees 20.21 crores. The total, sir, is rupees 70.65 crores, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister as to this amount of 70.65 crore that is yet to be paid by the retail outlets of petrol and diesel operating across the state, whether this amount has been deduced from the returns submitted by the retailers, sir, or whether it is based on the inspection carried out by the taxation department.
Sorry, can you repeat the question, sir? I just missed.
So, whether this amount of 70.65 crore, how it has been deduced, whether it is based on the returns submitted by the retailers or based on inspection reports by the taxation department, sir.
Sir, the figure of rupees 70.65 crores, sir, this is basically deduced on the returns submitted, sir.
Sir, why I have raised this question is because, sir, the returns that are submitted may have been lesser than the actuals that are being utilized. So, based on the various audit records that we have read, most of the retailers do not give actual returns. So there needs to be an inspection carried out, sir, so that proper audit is carried and a comparison is made from the companies that the statement of the companies that supply the petrol and diesel against the statements submitted by the retailers. That is one, sir. And we need, since our state, sir, needs a lot of revenue, this 70.65 crores, sir, this delay of collection has to be looked into, sir, and we request the Honorable Minister to kindly expedite the collection of this uncollected taxes, sir.
Yes, sir. So I just wanted to stand corrected, sir. It is based on assessment, sir, and also on the demand raised. But the suggestions given by the honourable members, sir, they are taken note of, and sir, we'll try to do that, sir.